In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a permanent meeting link on Google Meet. Having a permanent link is incredibly useful for routine meetings or classes, ensuring that everyone can join the same space each time without any hassle. Start by heading to the Google Meet website. Simply open your web browser and type meet.google.com in the address bar. This will bring you to the Google Meet homepage where you can begin setting up your meeting. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the New Meeting button. It's typically located near the top of the page and is the key to getting started. Click on New Meeting and a small menu will appear with several choices. From these options, select Schedule in Google Calendar. Now this step will take you to Google Calendar, where you'll lay the groundwork for your recurring meeting. Here, begin by setting a clear event title. This title will appear in invitations and reminders, so make it something the attendees will easily recognize. Next up is choosing the correct date and time for your initial meeting. It's crucial to select a time that suits everyone involved, as it sets the pattern for future meetings. To ensure that your meeting link becomes permanent, you'll need to make the event recur regularly. Do this by setting the event to repeat at your desired interval, such as weekly or monthly. This feature is what keeps your Google Meet link unchanged over time, so don't skip it. After finalizing your event details, you'll find under the Meeting Link section an option to copy the meeting link for sharing purposes. Click on the small copy icon next to Join with Google Meet. This makes it easy to share the link with your meeting participants through emails, messages, or any other platform you prefer. Once everything is set up to your liking, click Save to solidify your recurring event. By hitting Save, you ensure that your meeting is permanently listed on your calendar and accessible through the same link. As an optional step, if you want your meeting invite to pack more punch, consider adding a bit more detail. You can pop in some descriptions, attach important files, or even add extra links to provide context and resources for your attendees. This optional addition can provide clarity and enrich your meeting. And there you have it. You've successfully created a permanent meeting link on Google Meet. With this setup, you're now ready to streamline your regular meetings with an unchanging link that everyone can rely on. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in making your digital meetings more efficient and hassle-free.